Hello there mga Viajero! Welcome back to my channel. For our next adventure, we are going to Bulusan Lake in Sorsogon. Time to go! We are now here in Sorsogon passing Pan-Philippine Highway. I've been trying to visit this place but due to pandemic and also since Bulusan is an active volcano, every time I go back to Sorsogon for vacation, it's always closed. There was even a time when they said it's closed, but I still did try to go there just to test my luck, but closed is closed. Good thing that this time, they are open, which is why let's grab this opportunity to visit this wonderful place. I'm so excited! Medyo nakakahilo lang ng very light ang travel, but don't worry, it's worth it. And we are now here! Last time, hanggang dito lang ako sa labas. Now makakapasok na kami! Ito na, we're on our way to Bulusan Lake. I'm with my family, Gonzales family. Ayan. Ang puputi nila. Bidang-bida na naman si Nonoy. Ay, sorry. Ganda ng face mask. Sponsored by Tita Shawi. Ayan, we're going to the registration office. Saan kaya yun? It's their comfort room. Noy, kaway, Noy. So these are the rates per activity. There you go. Nonoy, sige na. Ayoko tiyo. Okay na. Tatanungin lang kita, what can we expect sa Bulusan Lake? Ayoko dito.
Medyo mahihain ba si Nonoy? Konting practice pa.
We're going to the entrance fees. We'll cover sightseeing and designated visitor areas, amateur video, and photography used for comments. Waiting sa airport. Ayan, dun sila. We're waiting for the shuttle to arrive. May tour guide namin. Sakay na kami sa shuttle. Dito ka dito ko. Sirap ka matay ng tindahan. Makapahinga din. Sarap na
Wow naman! Wow!
Last mo na yan, Ban-Ban, ha? And now, our travel continues.
Nabalit ang inyong park, guys. Ito po sa Bulusan Volcano Natural Park. Ang Bulusan Lake mo ay may layo ng 1.7 km. Sa loob ng 1 minuto, andun na po tayo. Ang Bulusan Lake ay may lawak na 16.43 hectares.
Okay.
At average depth na 78 feet or 26 meters. Ang protected area po ay may lawak na 3,672 hectares. At napapaligiran po ito ng 5 municipalities kagaya ng Bulusan, Buban, Siguran, Barcelona at Bulusan. Sa Bulusan po, ang protected area ay may 3 klaseng lake. Una po itong pupuntahan natin na Bulusan Lake. Sumunod, Agingay Lake. Then yung pangatlo, Blackbird Lake. Yung dalawang lake po na nabanggit ko, mountaineering activities lang po ang makakapunta doon.
Ganda ninyo, yeah. Sana all. May kamusta experience niyo so far?
Face mask na muna, face mask.
Oh, it's so nice to drive here. You can totally feel the fresh air, and as you can see, the area is surrounded by lush green forest, which makes the place more relaxing, especially if you're from the city. I can't wait for the day where great opportunities become available to places like this. If we just have that option, that would definitely be wonderful. And here we are. Welcome to the most awaited Bulusan Lake. Heto na, ita-drop off na ni Kuya Driver yung group namin with our tour guide.
Dito na kami.
Now that we are here, it's time for us to explore this place. Game ka na ba? Game na! Come with me! As if the area is fully covered by trees, it will not even bother you even if it's a sunny day. And that fresh air. Kailangan inulit-ulit yung fresh air? Anli yarn? Well, ganun talaga. We can't deny the fact that something like this is quite hard to find and experience lately, especially if you're from the metropolitan, diba? Kaya let's enjoy every moment.
Let's skip to the good part, yeah. Interviewin natin si ate, si tour guide natin. Ate, ano po yung history nitong lugar?
Sabi ng mga senior dito, ito daw ay parang ilog lang. Nag-erosion yung lupa dito sa bandang harapan. Harangan yung tubig. Yan, lumaki yung lake. Hindi pa naman daw ito pagkaya nito na kasi laki na
Dati.
16.40 meters na. Kasi kung makikita nito yung pwede makadun, may ano po yun, parang po yung dalawa ng tubig. Parang wala nga po.
Gano'ng karami ate yung bumibisita dito?
Ay, ang dami.
Let's say, on weekdays. On weekdays? On weekdays, sarado ka lang.
Hindi naman,
Ngayon lang nagbukas?
hindi kasi man lagi. Kaso nung nag-temporary close nga nung sumabot Bulusan. Pero kung 6 season, ang dami po talaga bisita dito.
Naapektuhan naman kayo masyado ate?
Hindi naman apektado, kaso nga lang, sumusunod sa mga
Protocol. And for safety purposes na
aha. 400 kilometers din dito. Nasa malayo po kami, nasa 8.7 kilometers po ito. Ang layo po. Sumusunod po talaga.
Pag peak season, may special handling ba kayo dito? Let's say, may limitation lang ng pagpapasok ng mga tourists?
Wala naman. Inaano lang yung bisita 1 hour. Kasi yung
One at a time or per batch?
1 hour. Kasi
1 hour lang. So
kasi yung yung tour guide ay 150 per hour. Hour
okay.
lang po. Pwede naman mag-extend po. Mag-additional na lang po yung video.
Okay.
Oh no, kayaking! I like that! Me first! Me first!
Yeah.
Yay! Tinutulungan ako ni ate!
Wala ako.
Oh ha? Feel na feel! Kala mo marunong, diba? Naglalaro lang yan! We availed the boat tour on the lake to further explore the area. And as a bonus, the guide is well equipped on the park's history. Well, in fairness, the staff here is so nice and accommodating. They assisted me when I was wearing the life jacket and gently assisted me also when riding the kayak. If you're traveling alone, they're even willing to take photos of you. Alam ko, gusto mo yan.
Ang kintab lang na ulit dito. Floorbox. Floorbox. Para hindi kayo makapiright, kami na lang yung kakanta. Oh, Nonoy, ready ha? Sabi tayo may. 1, 2, 3. And it's alright. Let's skip to the good part. Ayun sila.
Imagine bringing your partner here. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Eh kaso wala kang partner. So, hanggang imagine na lang.
Umuwi ka na?
Now is the right time for us to go. It's late in the afternoon and baka sa daan pa tayo abutin ng gabi, which we don't want to happen. Hintayin na lang natin yung next shuttle, okay?
Na, pabalik na kami.
For my overall experience, I'll definitely be happy to rate this as 10 over 10. The place is clean and well maintained, they got friendly staff, which is very important for me. And it even made me more excited when they said it's open, as I've been trying to visit this place for so long but didn't have a chance to do so. Either it's closed due to pandemic or volcanic alert or eruption, or I just don't have enough time to quickly check this place pre-pandemic. But at last, another check sa travel bucket list ni Tinderong Viajero. It was fun, not just because I traveled with my family, but because I learned a lot today. And I was able to see something new, which I always look forward to. Dati nakikita ko lang to sa books or sa social media posts of my friends, but now I was able to experience it. Yes, nakakapagod, but it's okay. It was totally entertaining. I enjoyed the boat ride and a nice conversation with our tour guide. If I can only stay here for more while working on maybe some artworks, that would be great. You'll get a lot of inspirations in this place. If you want to draw or paint or create new stories for your book or poem, or even sing your favorite mellow song while looking at this magnificent view of Bulusan Lake, next time balik tayo dito and spend more time to do those. Mas exciting! Hi, for a busy person like me who creates content and works on innovative ideas as part of my job, traveling has always been my therapy. It helps me clear my mind, especially during stressful days, and if your mind is clear, you will be able to be more creative and make better decisions in life. So try it and let me know your experience. Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. Kita-kits sa mga susunod pa nating travel. Bye for now!